Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
Petroleum is a liquid mixture of hydrocarbons, yellow in color, extracted from certain rocks and refined to produce fuels such as gasoline, kerosene, and diesel oil. Refined petroleum is also used in the food industry as an additive in a wide array of popular products, most of which are targeted at the youngest consumers. In fact, petroleum is used for different variations of food coloring found in everyday items like soda, sports drinks, mac and cheese, cake, candy and several other common American products. Although the FDA hasn't yet banned these petroleum byproducts added in American food, many other countries have owing to the fact that they pose a serious health threat. According to recent studies, petroleum-based food dye is linked to allergic reactions, obesity, asthma, diabetes, hypoglycemia, chromosomal damage, organ damage, birth defects, hyperactivity, cancer. Food dyes may also pack toxic substances. The British government and European Union have banned their use since 2009 and 2010, respectively. 90% of the dyes used in foods are red 40, yellow 5, and yellow 6. As reported by researchers, even fresh oranges are sometimes dipped in dye to get a brighter and uniform color. A number of studies have found that red orange causes tumors of the immune system in mice and allergic reactions and hyperactivity in children. Yellow-orange produces the same effects but also contains a high number of carcinogenic substances which link it to organ damage. Yellow-orange causes adrenal tumors in animals and hypersensitivity in children. List of popular children's foods you'll want to avoid. 1. Pop-Tarts. The most popular flavor, frosted strawberry, contains lots of dangerous substances. 2. Fruit snacks. Lots of fruit-based snacks advertised as healthy, for instance jam-filled cereal bars, are in fact packed with food coloring to enhance their appearance and taste. The food color most often used is red, which has direct relation to thyroid tumors. 3. M&Ms. These popular candy not only contain red and yellow, but also these blue, linked to brain and bladder tumors, which negatively affects nerve cell development. 4. Cheetos. It also contains numerous food colors, among which yellow is an artificial flavoring mix, full of highly toxic substances. 5. Teddy Grahams. Although these snacks seem harmless at first, they are abundant in TBHQ, which has repeatedly been linked to nausea, vomiting, delirium, anxiety and stomach cancer.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page. www.facebook.com/healthinfozone. Follow us on Twitter at HealthInfoTalk1.